Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Me fine also. Ma'am, first of all, I want to know about this your company. What is all about this?
So, Tidal, we're into IT real estate. We give out office spaces for IT, ITS, GCC companies. So, starting with our main headquarters, our main building, it's Taramani, it's Chennai. So, we are a 12-story building and we have various amenities and facilities to offer. And apart from that, we have newly inaugurated building at Patabiram. It's a 21-story building. So apart from Patabiram, we have even more bigger IT parks coming up in Tamil Nadu, in Madurai and Trichy. So we also have a sub-brand called Tidal Neo. So the basic ideology behind Tidal Neo is to give out office spaces to tier 2, tier 3 cities, 50,000 square feet space, where the main goal is to develop the socio-economic place of the tier 2, tier 3 cities. So out of which, as you can see from the map, these are all our locations for Tidal Neo. So we have buildings in Tanjavur, Thoothukudi, Salem, Viluppuram, and so many more locations. Out of which your Tanjavur, Salem, Thoothukudi, Viluppuram buildings are completed and inaugurated, and we have few buildings who are already 100% occupied, even before inauguration itself. So we're doing that well in terms of our mini IT parks. Apart from that, we have few more buildings coming up. Of course, Tirupur and Karaikudi, they're almost in completion stage, so they're all coming up.
Okay.
And yeah, we have a few more locations which is fixed, which is in Tiruvannamalai, Karur, and Rasipuram. So we are fully situated in Tamil Nadu only, and we're looking forward to giving out IT office spaces to any company which would like to venture out and establish their office spaces into South India.
Okay. Where your company see in few upcoming in 5 years?
In 5 years,
Yeah.
Tidal, since it's the Tamil Nadu government company, we're looking forward to establishing and developing the IT infrastructure overall of Tamil Nadu by giving out premium office spaces to all sort of companies, basically your IT, ITES, GCC companies. Our main goal here is to develop the IT infrastructure as well as see the Tamil Nadu nation as a state grow.
Okay, okay. Few message you want to convey to all the persons related to your company. What you want to convey the message?
To my company people,
No, 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 no. To the public.
to the public about
Yeah,
Tidal.
yeah.
So Tidal is an amazing company where you find really affordable premium IT office spaces. So if you are interested or if you like to grow and establish your company on a much larger scale, please do come to Tidal and we'll be happy to guide you and in terms of your space, your requirement. We have all top management, high-end amenities and facilities. You can check out our website www.tidalpark.com. In our website, we have all the available spaces and whatever location you like to know, everything is available there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
It's
ma'am.
nice talking to you. Pleasure talking to you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.